Welcome to Nexus Spaces, your launch pad into electronics, coding, and innovation. If you're ready to dive into the world of embedded systems and Arduino, you're in the right place. Today, we're starting with the fundamentals, embedded C and the Arduino IDE. Let's get started. Before we start coding, let's understand the big picture. An embedded system is a computer system with a dedicated function, often within a larger mechanical or electrical system. You can find them in washing machines, smart TVs, car engines, medical devices, the list goes on. These systems typically consist of a microcontroller, software written in a language like embedded C, and specific input-output hardware. Unlike a desktop PC, embedded systems are designed to do one job, but they do it really well, often in real time. Embedded C is a version of the C programming language tailored for programming microcontrollers. While C is great for general-purpose programming, embedded C provides access to specific memory locations and I/O hardware. Why C? It's fast, close to hardware, and widely supported. Here's what makes embedded C different. Direct access to memory-mapped hardware. Use of special function registers. Precise timing and control. You can write code that reads input from a button and sends output to an LED, all in a few lines. Let's talk tools. Arduino is an open-source electronics platform based on microcontroller boards and an easy-to-use development environment. The most common board is the Arduino Uno, based on the 8MB 328P microcontroller. What makes Arduino popular is its simplicity. The Arduino IDE allows you to write embedded C code and upload it directly to the board over USB. You don't need to mess with compilers or programmers, it's plug and play. To get started, go to arduino.cc and download the Arduino IDE for your operating system. Install it like any other application. Then, connect your Arduino board to your computer using a USB cable. In the IDE, go to Tools, then to Board and select Arduino Uno. Then, under Tools, select Port, select the USB port your board is connected to. Now you're ready to code. Every Arduino program is called a sketch. It contains two main functions. Setup runs once when the board powers on. Loop runs over and over again. Here's the basic structure of a sketch. You'll use functions like pin mode, digital write, digital read, to control hardware pins. Let's write your first program, blinking an LED. On most Arduino boards, pin 13 is connected to an onboard LED. Here's how we blink it on and off every second. After writing this, hit the upload button. You'll see the LED start blinking. Let's explore how embedded C features work in Arduino. Bitwise operations, set or clear individual bits in registers. Direct memory access, access ports like PORTB or DDRB. Efficient control, no need for OS or libraries. Here's a low-level example that turns on pin 13 using registers. This is raw embedded C, faster, but also riskier if you're not careful. Let's build something interactive, an LED that turns on when you press a button. Here's the circuit, button connected to pin 2, LED on pin 13. Here's the code. Upload the sketch and press the button. The LED responds in real time. Button pin is set to pin 2, that's where we'll connect the button. LED pin is set to pin 13, the onboard LED on most Arduino boards. Next, we move on to the setup function. This runs once when the board powers up or resets. Here, we use pin mode to configure the button pin as input, so it can receive signals, and the LED pin as output, since we want to control it. Now comes the loop function. This part of the code runs continuously. In the first line inside loop, we declare a variable called button state. We use digital read to check if the button is pressed or not. If the button is pressed, it returns high, otherwise, it returns low. Now we use an if statement. If the button state is high, which means the button is being pressed, we turn the LED on by writing high to the LED pin. If the button is not pressed, the else block turns the LED off by writing low. This loop repeats continuously, checking the button state and updating the LED in real time. Upload this code to your Arduino, press the button, and watch the LED light up instantly. With just a few lines of embedded C, you've built a responsive input-output project. Congratulations! Thanks for watching this beginner's guide to embedded C and the Arduino IDE. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon for more hands-on projects from Nexuspaces. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Until next time, keep building, keep innovating,